Miss Universe organization released an official statement. The Miss Universe organization MUO reaffirms its commitment to working closely with the host community. The Miss Grand International Organization MGI and all local partners to ensure the continued success of the 74th Miss Universe competition. Together, we are dedicated to upholding the highest standards of respect, safety, and integrity for all participants, staff, and stakeholders. A high-level delegation led by the Chief Executive Officer, Mr. Mario Bucaro, is traveling to Thailand to strengthen collaboration with the host country, MGI, and relevant authorities. This mission aims to coordinate efforts, ensure a secure and professional environment for all delegates, and reaffirm MUO's commitment to transparency, respect, and unity. All scheduled events and activities will continue as planned, in full cooperation with the host country and MGI, reaffirming our shared goal of delivering an exceptional global celebration that reflects the values of diversity, empowerment, and inclusion that define the Miss Universe legacy. The Miss Universe organization remains steadfast in its mission to promote collaboration, respect, and opportunity for women around the world, working hand in hand with all partners to ensure a safe, inspiring, and memorable
Ito na si
experience
Mexico.
for every delegate, with respect and responsibility. Miss Universe Organization.
I want to say something.